Hi, everyone. It's Sam Schick from JRA, where we help you make more money and live a better life. Hey, listen, I'm really excited about this offer for Christmas. If you're not familiar with Mastermind is a 7 sessions where we get together once a month, and it's usually at 8 o'clock at night Eastern Standard Time, so there's plenty of time. And for 2 hours, I talk to you about some of the practices I used in my business for 15 years to help me grow from zero to $10 million. These are certainly proven systems, certainly things that'll help you build a very successful 2023, but also build a very successful business quicker and faster than I did. So once a month for 7 months, we'll get together and we'll talk about those subjects that are going to help grow your business. Now, here's the holiday special. Our holiday special is normally these are priced, the Mastermind group sessions, 7 of them, are priced at $3,500 per person. Our holiday special is $2,900 per person. This is a really valuable offer for you that'll help you, not just theoretical information, but this is good, practical, sound information, proven information that'll help drive your business. And who doesn't want to have a better 2023? Who doesn't want to increase their sales? Who doesn't want to increase their profit? Hey, everybody does. I did. And by using some of these proven techniques, not only are we seeing it happen today from people that were on the last mastermind class, but we're seeing it every day. Every day people are talking about some of the successes they see from just some of the tidbits, the nuggets that they learned at the mastermind. So this is all about moving you, making you more money so that you too can live the better life. Have a great holiday season, and we'll talk to you soon. Hope to see you on the 18th of January. These are Zoom calls, so we'll hope to see you then.